This is Shakes from the RC Circus. We're out in a Brunfield pump track down in Kent, out with this motley crew as per. Jay has got a brand new Outcast EXB 8S, which he's going to unbox, and that will be coming up right about now.
The new Outcast EXB 1/5 scale dining room table. Look at the size of it, that's Harvey. It's massive. Here's the box, boys. Can't get back far enough to get it in full view. Here we go. Here she is, boys. I'll do this bit for you so you can see it. And there you have it. kV motor going in right now. We've changed the spur as well to the 39 tooth spur to go with the 39 tooth pinion. Max 5 combo. Savox 15 tooth servo. Look at the detail on the body. Oh, I can't wait to take it for a blast.
We have arrived, here the boys, they're all here set up. So have a look at it then, look at this. It's new Outcast EXB 8S that Jay has just got. You're a happy bunny, aren't you?
Love it, mate.
Let's have a little look-see then. Oh wow, look at this. Look how bloody clean that is.
800 kV motor, max 5 combo ES.
Size down here, we got Chris down here. Obviously Lee's here, Matt's not here today, which is a bit of a shame, but Chris has bought his K8 as well. I've got my K8 in the boot. Let's get it on, boys.
Let's get it on.
That's how you transport your K6 about. So this is what we're dealing with. This is a proper BMX pump track that's out North Kent. Big starting ramp here with the gates. And this is what we've got at the minute. We've got a K8, that's mine. We've got another K8 there. E-Revo 6S, and this beast has just turned up. We'll be showing you the inside of that in a minute. We've got the Mojave, he's just turned up. There's a Max 6S, there's another Creighton 6S, and yet another Creighton 6S. I think we need to...
Looks like it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day, mate. You keep missing out the little...
Oh! Don't forget the little techno. Oh, saved it. Nice one. So we've worked out
grand bash, yeah.
This is the 10 grand bash. We've got about 10 grand's worth of cars here because of all the upgrades and everything else that have gone into these things.
And we're not shy either.
So yeah, 10 grand's worth of kit. That's what it looks like.
Boys and our toys, eh?
Victorious background.
Just hopefully this video doesn't reach my missus.
He's trying to get over that fence, isn't he?
Oh, look at the transition! This is obviously the maiden voyage for this thing.
Maiden voyage.
Absolute monster. Jay had a bit of an issue where the pinions started creeping a little bit towards the motor mount. It's the same on my K8, funnily enough. But how did you sort that out, Jay?
Right, I've got a grub screw either side, and then I put a bit of Loctite actually on the motor shaft.
Oh, on the shaft itself?
To lock the pinion in place,
gotcha,
yeah.
Gotcha. So that seems to have worked, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's
sweet
worked,
as a nut. Well, there you go, guys. If you do get one of these ATS rigs and you have that problem, just a case of making sure you've got 2 grub screws and stick Loctite on the actual motor shaft itself.
It's because there's so much power going through it, you know what I mean? You've got to do it. It's just so much torque going through that shaft.
It is a phenomenal amount of torque with these things. Errol's a champ though, showing the Arrma boys how to do it. He's only running on 6S at the moment, so this thing is still. The Warren. He's got a lunchbox, look at this. Old school. Whoa.
There you go.
I was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own song, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still.
What a legend, look, he's been to the shops. What do you reckon so far then, Jay? What's your verdict on this beast?
Absolutely love it, mate. It's I was a bit scared to scratch it to start with, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
But it's absolutely taken a pounding, so
yeah, yes.
Well worth getting it.
Absolutely beautiful bit of kit.
Oh, it is, mate.
So responsive, isn't it? It's
it's another level, mate. Having the K6 all this time and then using this, it's a different level of bass, mate.
Yeah. to make sure you got to do?
Subscribe, smash the bell and hit the like.
You had it off there, son.
All of that. Let's turn it over.
You a happy boy?
Oh yeah.
Face says it all. What happened to that one? Check this bad boy out on YouTube, check his channel out. I will put a link in the description so you guys can go check his content. Not mucking about. That's how we do it in a circus.